Hi everyone, I'm Ivy Zinkai. I'm the senior makeup artist and trainer for Calabar Cosmetics. Today I have a very interesting session for you where Central and Love Calabar have this very interesting hips don't lie, lips don't lie session. Sorry. This session is all going to be about the lips. As you all know that yesterday was National Lipstick Day, and we are just it's just a part of the same celebration where I'm going to be showing you how to create a smoky eye with a beautiful wing liner and nude lips. For this look, I've already prepped and primed my face. As you can see, I've already moisturized it and I've used a primer as well. I'm going to be starting it with my base makeup. For that, I'm going to be using the Calabar 24 Hours Weightless Foundation. This foundation is extremely lightweight and it has this special formulation called as a color climate adaptive technology that adapts to the climate and makes sure that even if you're living in a humid condition, it does not move. A lot of times people have this issue where you apply foundation and because of the humidity and the sweat, your makeup tends to move and it does not stay in place and it gets a little patchy. With this foundation you won't be having any of those issues, and this is extremely lightweight on the skin and it comes in 30 shades. Okay, so the shade that I'm using right now is the FC 3.2. Okay, so FC 3.2 works beautifully on me. I use this daily. It works as a concealer also, so if I don't have that much time to apply this all over my face, I just take a little bit of it and I apply it on my under eye. That definitely makes my under eye look brighter, as well as prepares my skin for the day. So I'm taking the product and I'm just blending it into my skin. That ensures that I get a proper coverage. You can see that this foundation has its own natural glow that makes your skin look really well hydrated as well as moisturized. It works beautifully with people with mature skin as well. So you can see the nice glow that's coming with the product. So it's instantly hiding all the redness on my face. Yes. Okay, after this I'm just going to be using my Calabar 24 hours powder foundation. As the name suggests, this is a powder foundation. So this is a compact powder that comes with a coverage of a foundation. You just need to take this on your powder brush or on a puff and just apply it. This is going to help in mattifying your skin as well as giving your skin a beautiful coverage. If you don't have the time to apply a foundation and you want something that's going to be really quick as well as something that's going to give you good coverage, I'd suggest you to use this. This foundation is one of the best. It's extremely long lasting and the coverage is really good. I definitely love the powder foundation as well. You can see how flawless this is looking on my skin. It's not even looking artificial. To complete the rest of my base makeup, I'm going to be using the Calabar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Pink Pinch. This is a really nice, bright, fresh pink color that's going to give your skin a very nice, fresh effect. Just apply this on the apples of your cheek. And blend it all over. I just really love the freshness of this product. It makes my skin look really fresh and nice. Even if you don't want to apply a lot of makeup, you can just apply this foundation, the compact, and this blush. It's gonna make your skin look really nice and bright. Okay, the next product I'm going to be using on my face is the Calabar Glow Crazy highlighter. So this highlighter is in the shade Bombshell and it comes in these three wonderful colors. These are baked formula, which ensures that the product looks extremely natural onto your skin. It also ensures that your skin gets full coverage when you're applying the highlighter. So I'm just taking this and I'm applying it on my cheekbones. You can see that the shine is so subtle yet impactful. Absolutely loving this shine. Okay, so that's the highlighter. Okay, I missed out on applying a little bit of concealer on my under eye, so I'm just going to be going back to that, and I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Flawless Finish Concealer and just putting it on my under eye. Okay, and with the help of my beauty blender, I'm just going to be blending that. Now, why is this important? Now, since we're all wearing masks and mostly it's the eyes that's visible, you want something that's going to brighten up your eyes, and that's going to make your eyes look even better. If you conceal your under eye well, your eye makeup definitely looks a lot better. So yes, you can already see it's giving my eyes a really nice bright effect. The shade that I've used is 003 Satin, for those of you asking. Okay, so that's the under eye. And I'll take a little bit of powder again, the same powder that I used earlier, just to set it a bit. So I'm just going to be taking that and just dabbing it. Okay, yeah, I think that's done. The next thing that I'm going to do is my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Colourpop New 12 palette. This is the New 12 palette and it has these really nice, beautiful nude shades. If you go to see, the palette has, the lightest of the light nude as well as the darkest smoky colors as well. You can use this, daily if you want to just do a very, very professional eye makeup for work. You can definitely use these colors. These are really nice and nude. They're brilliant to use for office as well. And these you can definitely use for your, outings and stuff. You can always mix and match and use a little bit of, the lighter color inside and the darker color outside. I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Pro Smudger brush to apply this product. I'm going to use this color over here. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking that color, dusting off the excess, and I'm putting it towards the inner corner of my eyes. You can see this product is so shiny and soft to apply. It instantly adds a beautiful glow on my eyes. Okay, taking the same thing and applying this on this side as well. Okay, these products are all available on mycentral.in and at your nearest Central stores. They have some amazing offers on Colourpop products and you should definitely have a look. So yes, I've just applied that on the inner corners of my eyes. For the outer corner, I'm just going to be taking this dark blackish brown. For that, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Pro Concealer brush, and I'm just going to be dusting off the excess and just dabbing it on the outer corner. Okay, so just with light motions going back and forth on the outer corner, you can see the nice subtle smoky effect it's instantly given me. Okay, so take this and apply it on your side and just blend it inwards. Yeah, it is so easy to apply because the product is so pigmented by itself. You really don't have to do much, just blend it out. And yeah, I'm really loving the dark to light effect that I've added with this eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm using this color again and I'm going to be putting it on my under eye over here. So right over here where my lashes are. Okay, so from the outer corner to the inner corner. Okay, so you can see that this is also adding, it's just making my eyes look bigger as well as it's giving a really nice sophisticated smoky eye look. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm done with my eye makeup, with the eyeshadow part of the makeup. It's looking nice, and I'm not going to make it very intense because I'm going to be using an eyeliner as well. So for my eyeliner, I'm using the Calabar All Matte Eyeliner in the shade Matte Black. I'm going to be doing a nice wing eyeliner, on the top. If you want, you can definitely just leave it like that. If you just love eyeshadows, I think this is also looking really nice, but I'm adding the eyeliner to complete the look. So starting from the inner corner, going all the way outside, I'm going to be drawing a wing liner. Okay, so this gives my eye a nice lift as well. Okay, if you want, you can definitely make it longer as well, but I think this looks really nice. Drawing it on the other eye as well. Okay. And just connecting it inwards. Yeah, I think that's done. So if you want, you can extend it more. If you want, you can just leave it like this. I think this just looks really nice, and I'm going to leave it like that. You don't want your eyeliner to just look too long also. I think this looks very subtle and nice. To complete the look, I'm going to be using a non-transferable lipstick. As we all know that as we all know that these days while you're wearing your mask, it's very, very possible for your lipstick to transfer onto your mask. And more often than not, we have more lipstick on our mask and lesser lipstick on our lips. So for that, Calabar has a perfect solution. We have the Calabar Kiss Proof Lip Stain in the shade Hot Latte. So this is this really nice, beautiful nude shade, nudish brown that looks very, very good on most skin tones, especially when it comes to Indian skin tones. And I personally love using this every day. So I'm going to be taking this and applying it on my lips. If you want, you can apply it with a lip liner. If you want, you can directly apply it. I'm going to be directly taking this since it's a nude color. I don't want to apply it with a lip liner. Can you see how pretty this color is? It's this perfect mixture of brown with a little bit of pink. It's really complementing the rest of the makeup. Okay, completing it. Okay, I think that's done. The name of the shade is Hot Latte, and it's from the Calabar Kiss Proof Lip Stain range. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this lip color settle down a little bit, because once it settles down, it's going to be non-transferable. I also have a mask with me over here. I'll be showing you with the mask how it does not transfer. We have some absolutely beautiful colors in this range. We have some really nice reds, we have some really nice pinks, and you guys should definitely try it. To set my makeup, I'm going to be using the Calabar Stay Today Finishing Mist. So this works as a makeup fixer as well as a toner. So this is going to make your makeup look more, it's just going to add on to the glow as well as make your makeup more long lasting. Just put this on your face and let it settle by itself. You can already see that the glow is getting more enhanced. I hope you'll try out this look. It is super easy, yet it really looks nice. Thank you all for joining in today. I had a lovely time. Thank you.